The flu is a focus of the top leader at the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Now he's preparing to leave his job. New at 4, he told Channel 2's Linda Stouffer what he's accomplished and how the agency is getting ready to tackle emerging health threats.
We are the greatest public health agency in the world because of the fantastic staff who work at CDC here in Atlanta, around the country, and around the world.
Dr. Thomas Frieden told me he's preparing briefings for the next director of the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention after what he calls a protocol resignation when Donald Trump takes office next week. One focus, the Zika virus spread by mosquitoes.
It lives indoors and out. It bites multiple people at one blood meal. It's resistant to a lot of our insecticides, so it's a tough disease to control. We're hopeful that we'll have a vaccine in a few years for Zika, but it's also very important that we have better ways to control the mosquito.
And Dr. Frieden calls skyrocketing overdose deaths from painkiller and opiate abuse heartbreaking.
We're prescribing far too many opiates. There's just no way around that observation. We've increased by 400% the amount of opiates prescribed in the last few years.
He says as he leaves the CDC, Americans are safer from health threats both outside and inside the U.S.
We've improved our laboratory capacity and the capacity of labs throughout the country and throughout the world to find a threat when it first emerges and stop it rapidly. One of the things that we've done is a new program called Advanced Molecular Detection. It uses genomics, analyzing the genome of microbes to figure out if there's an outbreak and what it comes from.
The CDC employs 10,000 people in the Atlanta area, the largest federal agency headquartered outside of Washington, D.C. Leaders here hope people keep that in mind if there are any major changes in the next administration. In DeKalb County, Linda Stouffer, Channel 2 Action News.